Welcome. In today's tutorial, we'll explore how to easily access your downloads in Google Chrome. Whether you're new to Chrome or just need a quick refresher, these steps will guide you through the process of finding your downloaded files. First, open your Chrome browser. If it's not already running, simply click on the Chrome icon on your desktop or in your taskbar. Once the browser is open, you're ready to move on to the next step. Next, click on the three dots located at the top right corner of the browser window. This icon is often referred to as the More menu. When you click on it, a drop-down menu will appear, revealing various options for managing your browser settings and features. From this drop-down menu, look for the option that says Downloads. Click on it, and this action will take you directly to your Downloads page. Here, you will see a list of all the files you've downloaded recently. Each entry will show the file name along with options to open or remove it from your download history. If you want to open a specific file, simply click on its name in the list. This will launch the file using its default application on your computer. Alternatively, you can also right-click on the file name for more options, such as showing it in the folder where it's saved. For those who prefer shortcuts, remember that you can also use a keyboard shortcut to access your downloads quickly. Just press Ctrl+J or Command+Option+L on a Mac while in Chrome, and it will take you straight to the Downloads page. In summary, accessing your downloads in Google Chrome is a straightforward process. Start by opening Chrome, click on the three dots at the top right corner, and select Downloads from the menu. This will give you quick access to all your downloaded files, making it easy to manage and open them as needed. Thank you for joining me today. I hope this guide helps streamline your experience with Google Chrome. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Happy browsing!